Listen, that will not be a problem. As soon as you pay the money, I will get your consignment ready. Yes, 30 million naira. And please do let me know as soon as you make payment. Alright. Alright. Okay, bye. Mike, let's change our direction to the warehouse.
Frank, you know, I wish you made it to Mom's funeral.
Honestly, I wish to. For real. You know, the pandemic lockdown affected the flight, so I had to hold back until the waits open again. But finally, I'm here. At least I'll pay my last respect to Mom. Where is Dad and Mike?
I know you're back from work.
Really? They already resumed work barely 8 days after Mother's burial? Who does that?
It would have been better if it were just 8 days after Mom's funeral. But no, they resumed work 2 days after Mom's funeral. And the reason it's 2 days is because the second day was on a Sunday.
I can't believe this. Too bad. I mean, like, no respect for the dead.
It's fine, okay? You should go in and freshen up and let me fix you something to eat. What would you like? Frank, it's fine. Just go freshen up, okay? What would you like to eat?
Oh, son, I forgot you were coming in. How was the trip?
Who was buried in this family a few days ago?
And what type of stupid question is that? So you can't even greet?
Dad, please, just answer the question.
All right. Your mother, my wife.
I don't think so. Because if you truly regard her as your wife, you should have respected that fact and given her the mourning she deserves. And as for this fool that calls himself my stepbrother, you went to walk with your father instead of mourning your stepmother.
How dare you call me a fool? There was a lot of business transaction to be made. Besides, life is for the living. And we gave Mom the befitting burial she so deserves. We spent money. So much money.
Enough of that. Frank, I can see that the death of your mother has beclouded your sense of reasoning. Listen, your mother is dead and will never come back.
For real? You have no respect for your dead wife? You have no respect for the dead? She's like, seriously? I mean, what's going? This is so crazy. I mean, what are you talking about, Dad?
Son, watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
The handwriting on the wall is becoming so glaring.
How do you mean?
It's unimaginable that he had to follow Dad for a business. That boy has a stone heart. I don't like him. I don't like that boy.
Come on, bro. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. Mike is our stepbrother. Besides, I think he was just trying to make ends meet. It's really nothing.
That's absolutely rubbish.
Frank, calm down. It's not that serious. Please.
Frank, what is wrong with you? Huh? I have told you to calm down. You don't need to get yourself worked up over things you don't have control of. Just let him be. You're far better than that.
Mommy, what are you saying? He's getting on my nerves. Are you not noticing his arrogant and robust attitude lately?
I know. And I understand. But you should know he's also a member of this family.
That's the point.
He's your stepbrother.
That's the point. He wants to take everything to himself. Or am I the only one noticing his moves?
Frank, nobody's taking away anything from you.
Mommy, I should wait, right? I should wait until he takes what rightfully belongs to me.
I said he's not taking anything from you.
I'm not going to be that lenient. Honestly, I'm not going to be that lenient. At all. I'm not going to leave him head to that direction. It is very wrong.
You want to put down the roof of this house when nothing has happened. And I'm here assuring you that nothing like that is going to happen. Why don't you listen to me? Eh?
Mom, I'm not going to listen to you. Alright? I am going to take it by force. Because this is not it's not something I have to follow calmly. Alright?
What I'm saying does not make sense to you.
It's making sense, Mom.
I'm assuring you as your mother that nobody is going to take anything that rightfully belongs to you. Frank, you know you've not had dinner. I prepared your special dish. Just give me 10 minutes. I'll call you to come and eat. Hmm? Frank.
Mom, this is not time for eating. This is a serious matter. We need to attend to it properly.
Are you saying you will not eat the special food I made for you?
Mom, I'm not saying that. I will eat. It's alright, I will eat. So I will get the strength to get angry.
I'll soon call you to come and eat.
I'll be angry, but I'll still be eating.
Hey!
So I will have the strength to be angry.
Frank, take it easy. Ah!
Mom, I can still believe you're gone.
You can see the door is locked, so you don't have to break in. And tell me, what are you looking for in your mother's room?
I believe my mother is still in there. I can't still believe she's gone.
Son, I know how much you loved your mother, but we have to face reality here. Your mother is dead, and there's nothing any of us can do about it. It's okay. It's okay.
Can't you hear the noise? We're in trouble. I think some people invaded our house. Can you hear the noise? What is that? Can you hear it? I don't know.
I think the noise is coming from Mom's room.
Mom's room?
Yes.
Okay, let me check out. No, don't worry. Let me check that Mom's room out. What's going on here, Dad? What are both of you searching in Mom's room by this time of the night?
And what stupid question is that? Have you forgotten that this house belongs to me? Mike, have you ever seen it?
No, Dad. No, Dad.
What are you searching for?
My passport. Please, hurry.
Okay.
Can't find it.
I hope it's not what I'm suspecting.
What are you talking about?
How can Dad be possibly looking for his passport in Mom's room? A room he didn't used to frequent when Mom was alive. And that reminds me, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
What's that?
The day Mom died, she wanted to tell me something.
What is it?
My child, I have something to tell you and it's really important.
What is it, baby?
My life is not safe anymore. I think some people are after my life and sooner than later they may get to me.
Oh my God,
but I want you to know that I love you so much.
Mommy, what are you talking about? I don't understand.
I got to find out things that are meant to be kept secret. What is wrong? Why are they packed?
I don't know. Maybe their car is spoiled. I don't know.
Hon, can you honk for them?
Get up from there! Right now! Get down! Move it right now! Move it! Move it! Move it! Move it! Move it! Move! Get down there! I said shoot! Move! Move! Come here! Move! Oh yeah, get down! Are you looking at me? No! Get down! Get down! Lie down! Lie down right now! Right! Just lie down! Guys, let's go.
No!
You mean Dad has a hand in Mom's death?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm confused. But the question is, what did Mom want to show me? In her room? In her room?
Okay. Don't stress yourself much, okay? We figure out things tomorrow morning. Good night.
Honestly, I don't know if I can have a good night. Her room.
Yeah, Mike. Anything wrong with the car?
Oh, Frank. Nothing is wrong. I'm just checking the oil.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Where are you up to? I'm going into the car. I'm going to the office with you guys.
That's not possible. Because you are yet to understand the terrain.
Then I won't understand what you guys do in the office if I'm seated at home. I will understand better if I go to the office with you guys.
You're correct. But maybe some other time. Mike, give me that hair.
Like, seriously? Something is fishy.
Ujumwa? Uju? What's all this? Something is wrong somewhere. Ujumwa? Uju?
I mean, I don't understand. This is so strange. Huh? What business does that do that requires me to know about before going to the office?
Honestly, I have no idea. I don't know. But we both know that Dad used to be a contractor until things started becoming difficult. And you even did your best to help. All of a sudden, he made the switch to business. I don't know what kind of business it is, though. And anytime you ask Mom, all Mom will tell you is Dad is a businessman and nothing else.
What kind of businesses are they?
I have no idea. And Mom said Dad always rebuked her anytime she brought up the topic.
Something is wrong somewhere.
Absolutely.
All of a sudden, we became strangers in our own father's house.
It's a terrible thing.
We have to be careful. And another thing, we must gain entrance to Mom's room. It's a must do.
You're funny, you know. Yeah, you are. Like, but you know that's not true. Yes, I have money. I can spend and do whatever I want. Let me call you back. What is it?
Mike.
Mike, you cannot reap where you did not sow. I repeat again, you cannot reap where you did not sow. You want to take everything. You are trying to take everything my father is tirelessly building for my sister and I. Oh yes. You have succeeded in diverting the love and care. Okay, that's fine. Now you want to take the business. That will not happen. It will not happen.
Frank, did I hear you say your father? Now let me tell you something. He is also my father. Let me ask you this one question. Where were you when we barely feed in this house? Where were you when Dad needed someone to support and encourage him? You were nowhere to be found. I guess you were abroad frolicking with the white women. Then all of a sudden you decided to come back home and tell me that you are his son? Let me tell you, I started that business with Dad from scratch. And that business belongs to me because you know nothing about the business. And you can't do anything about it.
Okay, I can't do nothing about it, right? Okay, Mike, we shall see. Mike, we shall see. It's going to be war. I won't let you do that nonsense. I won't let you. You said you guessed, right? You keep on guessing. I was working outside with white women. You don't know what I was suffering over there. Are you okay? Mike, I'm talking to you. Well, I came back for my mother's burial. So, at least to put things together and all.
I'm so sorry I didn't attend your mother's burial. I was so busy with work. So how was the burial?
Oh, well, it went well. You know, the most important thing is that at least my mother has rest in peace. It's fine.
Anyway, how is the state treating you so far?
Well, busy and tight as usual. You know, we're trying to make both ends meet and all. You know, it's not easy, but what can man do? So how far now? How are you coping with Nigerian distress?
The work has been so hectic. You know, I've joined the Nigerian police force. It's not been easy for me.
For real? Tone, you joined the Nigerian police force. Hey, this is serious, man. Now, bro, so how do you cope with your looks, character, and everything?
My character confused them. Whenever I come, they don't know. I hit them.
It's all like undercover things.
Yeah.
That's nice. Man, congratulations, bro. Tone, I beg no arrest me. This one you're all smiling. What are we celebrating?
Guess what?
Come on, you know I'm not good at guessing. Can you be kind enough to tell me what it is?
Just try.
Come on, would you tell me what it is, please?
Okay, I'll tell you. The key to Mom's room.
Really?
Yes. What could Dad and Mike be looking for in this room that made them scatter this room like this? Because this office is not just an international passport.
We don't have to give them impression someone is that.
Why don't I just try to arrange here? Everywhere is just scattered.
Don't touch it. What's that?
CD. Let me see. Leave everything like that, okay? Let's go and check what's inside the CD.
Are you sure we shouldn't drop it back?
Don't worry. Let's just check what's inside, then we'll bring it back later.
Okay.
Uju, my daughter, by the time you're seeing this video, I might be long gone dead. This clip will help you find my killers if anything happens to me.
Oh my God, I'm so scared. What did we just watch? What did we just watch?
So this is it. So this is it. He must surely pay for this. We are taking this to the police.
Have you forgotten he's strongly behind him? Have you forgotten?
You're right. We must find out exactly what business both of them are into.
Oh God.
I have to keep this very safe.
Hey bro, what's up? Are you okay?
My instincts tells me that Dad and Mike are up to something for their business. So I had to plant my other phone in the car so we could be able to monitor their movement.
Okay, that's a smart move. So, what do we do then?
We follow them up immediately.
Like right now?
Yes.
Okay, let me quickly change into something. Just give me 2 minutes. Come on.
So, what do you think about my intentions, or rather my plans, to hand you over the when I'm tired?
It's a nice one, but we have to consider a whole lot of things before.
Oh, yes, that's the word. Consideration. Mike, you need to prove to me that you are equal to the task. You have to be a man. That's the only condition that will make me hand over all this to you. It has taken me well over 45 years to build, and I do not want anything that will destroy it.
How close are we?
Just keep going, keep going, keep going.
All right.
Yes. Mike, stop. Okay, hang on.
hang on, I'll be right there. Mike, to the camp.
To the camp.
Real quick.
Frank, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Okay.
Oh my God. Stop. They just made a diversion towards the left. They're coming towards our direction.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, so let's revise them.
Yes, please. Okay, wait.
Okay.
We can go now. They're no longer coming towards our direction. Yes. They diverted.
Are you sure?
Yes, to another direction. Go. Ah, God. Go.
So,
Go.
I should proceed.
Yes, please. Go. Yes.
They took left.
They did. I think we should cut.
Come on, kneel down there. You want wine or Sabi? Why did you try to escape?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Shut up! Why did you try to escape?
I'm sorry, please, I don't want to
Shut
die.
up!
Please, sir, I don't want to die, please.
Welcome, boss.
Please, sir, have mercy.
How dare you try to escape?
I'm sorry, sir, please. Please, if you should have mercy on me.
Sorry.
Yes, I don't want to die.
We are going to hide behind our tree. Alright?
Okay. Yes. Please, sir, have mercy. Please, sir, I don't want to die, please.
Whose mistake was it that led to her escape attempt?
My mistake, boss. I just stepped out to ease myself and she tried escaping, but we went after her immediately and we recovered her. I'm sorry, sir.
Please, sir, mercy.
Sorry, boss. I'm sorry.
Next time, you better be careful.
Please, sir, I beg you, don't kill me. Please, sir, I'm begging you, please. Please, sir, don't kill me.
Run! Mike, get them. Dead or alive.
Find them?
We didn't get them.
How?
We searched for them. We gave them a hot chase, but they were nowhere to be found.
Mike, you gave them a hot chase and yet you could not find them. You couldn't get them. Why? God. Mike, how could you allow these people to outsmart you? How?
We tried our best.
You're talking about trying your best? Now tell me, what has your best given us? And wait a minute. How were they able to trace us in the first place?
That I can't tell you. That I don't know. I'm even confused at this point.
Mike, go out there and make sure you find those people. I need them dead or alive. Go! Mike, go!
have been happening? And you didn't deem it fit to tell me?
Not really, Auntie. We found out today.
Today?
Jesus Christ. We saw him. We saw our father shoot the girl. I don't know how he turned to this monster. I don't know how our father became a killer. I don't just know. When?
Auntie. Good morning, man.
Wow. Mike.
Man.
What brings you to my house?
Nothing. I was actually going around the place, so I just decided to come in. So, how are you doing, ma?
Oh, I'm doing very, very well. I'm doing well. So,
I can see that.
What of you?
I'm doing fine, ma. I'm okay, ma.
Mike, that's why you came to my house. I hope everything is alright.
No problem. Not at all, ma. Everything is fine.
Okay.
Yes, ma. Have you seen my siblings?
Your siblings?
Yes, ma.
No. Are you looking for them?
Yes, ma.
Why?
For 2 days now, both of them left the house with their lines switched off. So we don't know. We felt like, okay, we should wait 24 hours. But after 24 hours, they were nowhere to be found. So I said, let me come around and check if they are here.
Why should they do something like that?
I don't know.
Why should they leave the house without letting anybody know where they're going to?
Auntie, I'm also very confused. I don't know why they did that.
Mike, was there any kind of face-off?
Not at all, nothing.
Even between them and their father?
Everything is fine. I don't know why they left. Okay, Auntie, I think I will have to go. Please, if you get to hear from them, don't hesitate to call me. Huh? Okay. I'll be on my way.
But wait. Please, if you see them first, don't hesitate to tell me.
No problem, ma. If you also see them, don't hesitate. Please. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
She's gone. He's gone. See, the way I see things, your father will never stop searching for the two of you. He will never stop.
In that case, let's get the police involved.
Police?
Yes.
Frank, why do you keep talking about the police? Why? Have you forgotten Dad works hand in hand with these people? Yes, he placed the commissioner of police on salary.
I know all of that. This is a sensitive issue, so we need to get the police involved. That's the right thing to do.
Okay. See, Frank, I think the best thing for us to do now is to take you people out of this state. Yes. So that, at least for the meantime, you should leave the state. And Namori. Okay. So, let us do it. Hey.
Agnes. Good day.
Mr. Richard.
Long time no see. How are you?
I am fine.
Auntie, good morning.
Bye.
Auntie.
I can see you're preparing something.
Oh yes, I want to cook.
Won't you let us in?
Oh sure, why? Why not?
Yeah. So, how are you?
I am fine. Mr. Richard, it's been a while I saw you. Since after the burial of my sister. So to what do I owe this visit?
I am looking for my children. For the past 1 week now, they left the house. And I've been going everywhere looking for them. That's why I came around to see if by chance they are here.
You still have not seen them?
No.
Auntie, please, can I use your restroom?
Oh, sure, you can. Just there.
Okay.
There, you take your left.
Okay.
I'm so confused. I don't know where else they could be. Or do you know where else I can go looking for them?
Of course I don't. Because if I do, I would have told you. I don't.
Well, the government is not doing anything to alleviate the pains of the masses. But I want to believe that with time, everything will be alright.
Well, what do? We don't know what to do. We cannot do anything. So, we'll just be watching and waiting.
Women can do something. You see, when it is time for election, they promise us heaven and earth. But the electorate do not know that the power belongs to them. Just as you said now that you can't do anything, women can do a whole lot. You see, this vote buying thing has caused us a lot of damage in our country. You see, the earlier the electorates understand that every power belongs to them, the better for us. Our youths allow themselves to be used as thugs. When these people come around, they give them peanuts and then they are ready to do anything. And the moment they get what they want, that's the end of it.
Mr. Richards, It is people like you that are supposed to sell these ideas to our people. Call us together, sell these ideas to us, and we will understand and we will know what to do at the right time. But when you are out there, keeping quiet, we don't know what to do. We don't even know our right from our left. So, the earlier you people start doing this, the better.
I have told you now. It begins with you. So maybe from tomorrow when you go out to meet your fellow women out there, you tell them.
Okay.
Hi, Auntie. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, please forgive my manners. Forgive my manners. I should have at least asked you for what to drink. Please let me look for something.
No. That's fine.
Huh?
That's okay. We're fine.
Okay.
We're fine. We have to run along now.
Yes.
Please do take good care of yourself.
Yes, I will.
We'll keep in touch.
Please, if you see them, do let me know.
It's alright. Okay, no problem. Bye-bye.
Frank, how long are we going to continue hiding?
As long as we keep tracking and tracing these people, we need to be safe.
No, but we're getting exhausted. We're getting exhausted of every resources we have.
Well, what do we have to do? That's the price we have to pay. So we'll keep on tracing and tracking them.
I can't wait for it to be over. God. Auntie Agnes is calling me.
Oh, okay.
Hello? Auntie, good afternoon. Oh, okay. Yes, Auntie. Yes. Okay, no problems. Thank you. I'll tell him. All right. She said I should tell you that Mike just left her house now.
It's alright. So you stay here, right? Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
I want to see someone.
Who do you want to see? Frank, you have to be careful, okay? I don't know. Just be careful, please.
It's alright.
If anything goes wrong, don't hesitate to call me.
It's okay. Stay cool, eh? Be smart. Be careful.
I will.
Hi, Tony. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Tony, I have a situation right now.
What situation are you talking about?
You see, I now know who the real killer of my mom is.
And who is the person?
See, as we speak, the same person wants my sister and I dead. Alright? We're on a low right now in order not to be seen. I need your help right now.
So what help do you need?
Please, can you follow me? I need to show you something. Uju, it's me.
Okay.
Yeah. Please come. Relax, okay? This is my friend Tony. He's a police officer.
Why did you bring him to our hideout, Frank? And you know he's a policeman.
I know. He's my childhood friend, so I think I can trust him.
I understand your fear. But Frank here is like a brother to me. I will never, ever betray him for anything.
Please give me the CD. And where's my laptop? Tony, there's an evidence to show that someone close to my mom killed her.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have brought him here.
Hey, calm down.
This is our hideout, for goodness sake, Frank.
He's my childhood friend. I think I can trust him. All right?
I don't know, Frank. I don't know, okay? I don't just know.
Don't worry. Trust me.
Childhood friend.
My life is in danger. I am no longer safe in my own home. Out of curiosity, I decided to find out about your father's new line of business. I don't need to remind you that your father is a good man, a caring man, a loving man. But he suddenly changed towards me and towards everybody in the house. He became a total stranger. Each time I try to find out about his new line of business, he will yell at me. Then one day, I made up my mind that I was going to follow him and his son secretly to find out about that new business. This is what I saw. I followed them almost to everywhere they went, only to find out they do not have any visible office or a particular business they are into. Then one day...
Before you take the oath, you have to perform the sacrifice of purification, which will take place at the great Orashi River. Now, follow me. When he came back, I decided to confront him about what I saw. He threatened to kill me if I ever speak of it again. At some point, I began to see strange faces. I don't have my freedom anymore. Uju, if anything happens to me, know that your father and Mike has a hand in it. Tell Frank I love him more than anything. Take care.
So with this evidence, you will organize for his arrest?
Based on my experience as an officer, judging from what you're accusing your father of, this evidence is not strong enough to bring him down.
I told you he won't do anything. He won't do or say anything reasonable. Is he not a policeman? Is he not one of them? Is he not one of them on that beneficiary list?
I beg your pardon.
What else can you do apart from giving excuses?
I am professional in my career, an honest one at that. Your father, Mr. Richard Onwuka Nnamdi, has been on our watch list for past 3 years. If we must bring him down, we need a strong evidence. As far as I'm concerned, this evidence is half-baked. We need a stronger one to bring him down.
Please, can I have that video? What about this?
Good. This is more like it. With this evidence, we can bring him down.
So, what's the next step?
Well, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Send me the clips to my phone. I'll work with it.
Okay.
I guess you have the duplicate of this.
Yes, I do.
Alright, I'm going with this. I'll work with this. So make sure you keep yours safe, okay?
Okay, thank you very much, Tony. I'll be counting on you. Alright.
Alright, you guys take care. Be safe.
Thanks.
You're under arrest for human trafficking and other related cases.
Move!
Babe, what do they want?
Just calm down. Calm down, okay?
Are you sure?
I hope you know what you're doing.
I can only help you if you tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Why did you kill Mrs. Richard, your stepmother? It will be in your best interest to start talking now.
Young man, it seems you don't know what you're doing. Because if my father gets to find out that I am here, you will be dead.
Start talking now. Why did you kill Mrs. Richard?
I didn't kill Mrs. Richard.
Then who did?
I'm not the person. I'm not the person.
Guys, let's go.
Son, why is your face like this?
I don't think we should have killed her.
Listen, she was a threat. And that sometimes there is need for us to do some terrible things to achieve our aims.
I understand, but...
Son, cheer up, okay? Cheer up, we need this. Huh? Life must go on. Well done, boys. Wow. You know what? Let's go to Sheraton.
He felt she knew more than she should. And that made him uncomfortable. He decided to take her out of the way. To keep the secret of his business.
Where is Mr. Richard? Based on our findings, he's no more living in his house. Where is he?
Thank you. Please. I never wanted to be part of this illegal business.
But he forced me into this. I knew this day will come. Please, I don't want to go to jail. If he finds out I lead you to him, I will be dead.
I gave you my word. If you cooperate with me, I will help you. Tell me where he is.
Okay. I'll tell you. But I need you to take me up from this place. Please.
Oh, so, Tony, how far? Has he been able to speak yet?
Yes, he's cooperating right now. He has given your father's information, location.
Oh.
So what I want to do right now, gather my team, storm in there immediately and get him arrested.
Okay, that's impressive. Yes. I'm glad. Thank you so much. You've been a good friend.
You don't have to thank me. I have to thank you. Because with you, we are close to achieving what we have been trying to achieve for so long. Thank you so much for that. I'll give you feedback once everything is done.
It's alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, let me get back.
Okay. It really hurts to know that once a peaceful and happy family is now a war zone. But it's alright. Tomorrow is the judgment. I believe he must be prosecuted and jailed. Only then my mother's soul will rest in peace.
Frank, take it easy. You are doing just very, very well. I am proud of you. Very proud of you. You are a strong man. And your mother, my sister, must be proud of you wherever she is. But there is something that I am so concerned about. What if tomorrow's judgment turns out that the entire court will be for him? What do we do?
I doubt, Auntie. With all the evidence, he must be prosecuted. But if it turns out to be in his favor, I will follow it up. I will go for appeal.
You will?
Yes, now. I can't lie low. It's not possible.
I'll be praying for you. I'll be praying for us.
Amen.
I'll be praying for us. God is going to hear our prayer.
Amen.
The wicked must not go unpunished.
Never. Never.
Why did you not touch your food? I just noticed you have not touched your food. You did not even open the plate. Why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you doing this to me? Where is your faith? Every night we pray. Every morning we pray. There was even a time you told me that I should not lose hope and faith in God. What happened to you? If you're feeling this way, what do you want me to do? Look at me as a woman. There are things I need. But I'm not complaining because I know that one day God will get us out from this situation. Here you are. Breaking down. Instead of being there for me. What happened to that faith? I'm asking you. Have you forgotten who God is? Have you forgotten what God can do? The God that changes things when all hope is lost. The God of 0 hour. The God that changes every situation. What happened? Huh? Okay, fine.
If you don't want us to be praying, we'll leave it that way. Let's see what happens. If that is what you want, instead of you to supporting me, you're breaking down. I don't know what you want me to do. Leave me. If you want me to be fine, then go and eat that food. I don't know why you should lose faith in God. Who told you God cannot get us out of this situation? What is this? How did you get in?
The door is open.
Can't you allow me to sleep? Huh? You should be thinking of how to survive. I don't know you still have time for this.
Why are you treating me like this? When was the last time we stayed together like husband and wife? Don't you have feeling anymore?
What feelings are you even talking about? Eh? See, let me tell you. Or let me remind you, if you have forgotten. The dinner we had this night was the last food left in this house. And you still have the energy to come and be telling me... Please. I don't want to talk. You should be thinking of what do we do tomorrow? How are we going to survive? And you're here touching me, talking about when was the last time. When was the last time you gave me money for my hair, for my body cream? And you're here talking about feelings. How do you even get this urge?
So, this is it.
That is it. You just leave me. Think of how to survive. Think about your family. That's what you should be doing. I don't want to shout. Just go to your room. Leave. Please, can you go to your room? Please leave now.
Hello? Stella, how are you? Stella, please. I want to ask you for a favor, please. Can I borrow like 30,000 naira from you, please? Sorry, I know I'm still owing you, okay? I know I haven't paid up the other debt, but please, I'm in desperate need of this one. I'll call you back. This
is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice. I will rejoice.
This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it.
Daddy, you're excited today. What happened?
Where is your mother?
She should be inside.
Sweetheart, come. Sing with me. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice. I will rejoice. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it.
Okay. So, can you now tell us what's the good news?
Sweetheart, the Lord has remembered us again.
Okay.
I told you I was going to see Mr. Peters, right?
Yes.
On my way, I met an old friend of mine. This guy is into exportation and importation. And he has promised to do everything possible to get me back on my feet.
Wow. This is good news.
Tell me.
This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice.
Do you have more good
and be glad in it. And you know what? To prove his seriousness,
okay,
he said I should come in 2 days' time to collect the key to one of the warehouses along Oshodi.
This is serious.
Wow!
That the Lord has made.
That's good news, Daddy.
Sweetheart, come on.
Wow! Finally.
Yes.
That new hair. You remember that dress I showed you?
Yes, I remember.
And you know what I can do?
Of course.
Come on.
You know what? I'm going to make something special.
That's my baby girl. I know that I am paying for the sins I committed. All I ever wanted was the best for our family. I never planned things to happen the way they did. Of course, you know that I love my family so much that I couldn't have planned to hurt anyone. All I ever wanted was to make things beautiful for all of us. But I allowed the enemy to ruin my life. I wish I could turn back the hands of the clock. I have lost everything that was precious to me. How's with you?
I am so disappointed at you. You will remain here to pay dearly for all atrocities you've committed. I am so ashamed of having you as my father. You killed your own wife in the name of making more money. You a devil! All this while, I was thinking Mike is the enemy. But you are my worst enemy. You're going to pay dearly for everything you have committed. I am leaving this country, never to return again. And I am taking Uju along with me. Go to hell, Dad.
Frank! Frank!